So I am creating a virtual network called IBM Cloud Network. This is a cloud network because this network is in cloud. And I have created this network, but it is not in a cloud. It is connecting across network I have created. So this creation is going on. I have created a virtual network. I have created a virtual network in this. And type of network is this is basically getting connected to the local area network, where local area network already I have defined, and DNS server also have defined in this, right? So basically this is the local area network to which it will be getting connected. This is a DNS server which will be resolving the name of this DNS server will be going to resolve the name. This as the local area network, and this will be resolved by this, whereas virtual network is this, and virtual network when it will be connecting to when it is connecting to the local area network, DNS server will be local area and DNS server will be going to head. This IP address will be given to, right? So this is the basically very important a virtual network with the cross connection you are connecting to the on-premise, and this is exactly showing you what is there: configuration, certificate, and a dashboard. Here it is showing that the gateway is not created, so you can create a gateway. Gateway is very important because VPN and this is dynamic routing के साथ में we will create. Now by this gateway it will get connected to this on-premise to this gateway is nothing but a router which is on this side. This is a VPN on the other side. So this gateway to this gateway you have to connect. This is a virtual network router and this is the on-premise router. Now these two are configured, connected. Now this gateway was not created in this. This is the router. Actually you have created a virtual network without any router. So now this router is there we are creating a router or gateway, what you can call it as, and then we will able to connect it to the VPN. You have created a virtual network here. You have created a local area network. This is already there. This is a DNS server. This DNS server will resolve the name of all these machines. Alright. You can select the DNS server that will be going to resolve the name of all the machines. This if it is selected, then it will be going to resolve the name of all these machines. But not about this. So you can see virtual network is having one gateway and on-premise is having another. VPN is a device which is configured in router of your local area network. When VPN is configured, then we can connect this on-premise network to your virtual network. This will take some time, 3 to 4 minutes to create a gateway. Creating a gateway is nothing but you are making a gateway, means a router. You are making a router on the virtual network. A virtual router we are creating, and this router and the on-premise routers with the VPN, this is also VPN configured. So these two are getting connected. That's the main and who will be handling local side will be handled by DNS server of this thing. So the gateway creation takes longer time. It is basically a router will be created in your virtual network by which we will be getting connected to the on-site premise router. So that's the only process which is very important in this. Once it will be getting connected, you can see. And unfortunately I don't have a router in my machine because my machine doesn't have routers. Right, I'm trying to connect it with my exact routers if it will be. So this is how exactly it will be going to connect it. It process will take a longer time, hence I'm just stopping this. And since I don't have a real network here with me, I got this trial. I don't have proper network here actually, hence I'm just stopping. This is the way it will be getting connected.